yeah. That was it.
See, when I hold my breath.
Down, ear to shoulder. That's it. Perfect. Breathe in and out. Good. Drop your chest. Let that drop. Yep. Beautiful.
Woo! I needed that one.
I guess so.
That's been there for a minute.
All right. Yeah, you're a little low on the right today. How's the low back?
It's actually fine. I just ran a 5K and I'm actually okay after it.
Okay. So. And here?
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
Here?
I'm good.
Okay, good. So probably, feet together, probably just a little tune-up is what I'm thinking. Hold your arm up strong. This one, don't let me push it down. Feel how we're a little wobbly there? We need to balance you out. Yeah, because I can see, even though you're feeling good, you're going downhill. Too, yeah, and then this is swollen. Your right SI joint is. So I'm glad you're not in pain, but we'll definitely get that taken care of. So, okay, let's go on your stomach. I'll work on getting you all loosen up. Perfect. Yeah, just rest your head down. Sam's a busy mom of 2. Is your boy playing football?
Or
baseball? What does he do? I can't remember. Golfer.
Yeah.
Yes, my nephew does too. Which ones does he play in?
He actually just played on Sunday.
Where?
He played in Lakeland.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. He did really well.
Yeah, I went to Sarasota and watched my nephew play. He did Saturday and Sunday. It was I forget there's different like leagues, and this is one where they don't have a caddy.
Oh, okay.
So they have to do everything by themselves.
Oh my god.
It's so impressive. It's
such a hard sport. Oh my so much respect for anybody who plays it.
Absolutely. Yeah, he was leading going into the second day. Nice. And then I guess in 3 holes kind of, I don't know how people don't make big mistakes in golf.
Oh, I mean, there's mistakes all the time.
So he ended up being even for the weekend, but
that's good.
It was really good. Right? Mm-hmm. I mean, he's 12.
Yeah. That's spectacular.
And I actually had a lot of fun watching. I mean, I was with my sister in the golf cart, so.
Yeah, my son plays at Innisbrook the weekend after New Year's.
Okay.
It's 18 holes 2 days in a row. It's like a championship.
Yeah.
I'm super excited for him. That course is on the PGA Tour.
Where?
It's at Innisbrook.
Where's that?
The Copperhead course.
Okay. They might be doing that. When did you say after New Year's?
Yeah, it's like the 3rd and the 4th.
Okay. I'll find out. And he's how old?
14.
Okay, so he's not the same. But that's amazing. All right, got a little tension there. Good.
This bed is awesome.
Is it comfy?
That's so nice.
What you didn't know you needed today. All right, I'm gonna grab the mic. Okay, take a nice deep breath in. Blow that all the way out. Good. Lift your chin. Good. Breathe in and out. Good. Drop your chest. Let that drop. Yep. Beautiful.
Woo! I needed that one.
I guess so.
That's been there for a minute.
Right? When you cough, it was a deep one.
That's a good one, yeah.
It's not so bad there. Would you say you feel it right across here?
No, it was like a little lower here.
Yeah, where that we got the big crack. I'm actually gonna do. Have I done any scraping on you before?
Yes, and I loved it.
Okay, let's do that.
We're gonna clean it afterwards.
Okay, feel bad.
Oh, don't worry. Yeah, relax your head. Yes, don't hold it up. I didn't realize you were. No, I have a special cleaner. Color in your angel wings.
Oh, thank you.
Good. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So you're running. What else are you doing?
Well, I've been really slacking at the gym lately,
Mhm.
so we could talk about what I'm not doing.
Okay, same. I haven't done much either. Good. Let's see how this bottom works. Yeah, I think you debuted when we first were monetized back. It was like 2 years ago.
It had to have been like 2 years ago, yeah.
That's so fun,
That's crazy.
right?
Nice.
I know. And you're still busy.
I'm kind of like a glorified chauffeur.
Exactly. Scoot down towards me.
Okay.
Bring your butt this way. Yeah, perfect. Okay, good. Thank you. Yeah, like driving, cooking, or every time I walk in the door, my son's like, "Did you bring food?" I'm like, "No, I didn't bring food."
No, that's literally, oh my gosh, yes. I have like a snack basket in my car, like.
He's so funny. I'm like, I just fed you. Why would I go out and get your food?
Or it's like, can you go to Chick-fil-A?
Sure, I have nothing else to do. Why not?
But I am so excited for Christmas.
I'm always excited for Christmas. It's my favorite time of year. And then it goes fast, and then we're in January. So I'm trying to like slow down and just not race around.
That's good.
Trying. Good. All right, let's see what else we got in here, girly. Little tailbone. before I do this, I'm going to just check the upper neck a little, or the upper back a little more. Turn your head, look to the right. Yes. Back to the middle. Good. Shrug both shoulders. Release. Good. Good. Okay, lower neck doesn't look too bad. Okay, honey, lie on your left side. Face me. Come to the edge. Good. Then this one. Straighten here. Perfect. Let's see. I'm gonna squeeze it this way. There we go. Nice deep breath in. Good. And let this drop open. Little squeeze. Yep. A little more. Put my arm. I don't want to pinch you there. Okay, good. Now just let that open. Drop your shoulder. Good. Let that shoulder drop open. Good. Okay, go the other way. Were you holding your breath? You're not supposed to. You're not supposed to hold your breath. Don't hold your breath.
Okay,
Okay.
I won't this time.
Okay, come towards me. Bring your butt this way. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's see what we got in here.
Alright. And you need this.
That's good, right? Like that. Perfect.
Alright.
And then let that drop. We're gonna. That's it.
Yeah.
That was
See,
it.
when I hold my breath.
Somebody donated $2 and said, "Can we get the dog to remove her own shoes too?"
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Should we have music
Just-
for this?
I know, right? You should put some nice subtle background.
I was working all morning, so but I can do that. I'd much rather. Okay.
We believe in grounding.
Yes. Grounding. I'm going to put these out here. Well, thank you for the suggestion. Okay, honey. Let's see what we got in your neck today. Yeah, there's some tension in here. Let's see what we can do. Big breath. Roll that out, ear to shoulder. That's it. Good?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Relax that. Good. Mm-hmm.
See, that's talent. When you can do it and then keep doing it, that's how you know you got the right spot.
It was a good day for you to get adjusted.
Mm-hmm.
Right in the middle of all the Christmas stuff. Do you have like Christmas traditions you do?
Yeah. I always do like a scavenger hunt. I create like haikus for the kids to like
Haiku.
figure out, and then
Mhm.
once they figure out the clue, they find an envelope with like gifts and stuff in it. Christmas morning.
Wow.
I know.
Haikus. What is a haiku?
It's a poem.
But it's very specific.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's a lot of rhyming, you know, it's kid friendly.
Let your hip open. Beautiful. Very good. Very good. I need tissue. There we go. Told you. Oops. I love these house slippers we have over here.
Are they cute? got him at a little boutique in Sedona. And
There we go.
I have to have these ridiculous things. They are ridiculous, but they're so cute.
All right. Just make sure hips are good. Any tension?
Well, it feels good.
Good. So you do have a little bit. Feel how on this side when I try to come in that way?
I do feel it.
A little bit. So we're gonna just move and open that. Look good. And feel how we're getting more. It's getting, yes. Very good. Very nice. Still a little sticky, so just watch that. If you notice your low back getting tight, your hips might be tight.
Okay.
So you can move that. Let's sit up. Anything else? What else do you need?
I feel like a brand new person.
Do you? And you didn't even feel bad.
No, I didn't, but you don't realize how tight you are until you've been adjusted.
Someone donated $2 and said, beautiful ladies with beautiful feet and toes.
Oh.
Thank you. Good. Well, I can't think of anything else I'd do with you. Stand up. Let me see. Put your feet together. Hold the arm up. Don't let me push it down. Right foot forward. Okay, keep that right foot forward. I'm going to adjust you while you're standing. Very good. And hold that. Perfect. I know, you're so talented. Switch. Yeah, do the other one.
Okay.
Multi-talented lady here. Haikus and balance and beauty. She's got it all. Okay, I think that's what we'll do for today.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you.
So come back.
Always.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Thanks for being the OG.
Of course.
This is the OG right here, everybody. So thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Say see ya to Samantha this time.
Bye, guys.